Hi, I'm Scott, and I really appreciate you giving me this chance to help you. I told you there are ways to protect your savings and your home. Now, these solutions need to be customized for your situation. They may all work for you, or some of them might not. What matters most is that you get solutions customized for your situation. But more about that later. For now, let me deliver on the promise to give you the top 3 things you can do to protect your home and savings. So, tip number 1, protecting your home. One of the top options for keeping the home is that you can give the home to one of your siblings or one of your children that have been a caregiver for you. If you've had a brother or sister living with you for the past year assisting you, or if one of your children has been living with you and giving care for 2 years, Medicaid allows you to transfer the home into that caregiver's name. And by using that option, you keep the home from Medicaid liens under their estate recovery, or from being forced to sell that home in order to qualify for Medicaid. Another option for protecting your home is to transfer ownership of the home to one of your children if that child is a disabled person. And Medicaid will approve of that transfer as well and not subject it to any sort of a transfer penalty. Top tip number 2, purchase items that you're going to need anyway. So pay for a funeral now, pay for yours and pay for your spouse's. These are expenses that you're going to have one day anyway, but if you don't pay for them now, you'll be broke once you're on Medicaid, and someone else, usually your children, will be saddled with that extra expense. A prepaid funeral is an excluded asset as far as Medicaid is concerned. Another asset that Medicaid excludes is your vehicle. You and your spouse each get one vehicle excluded regardless of its value. Now, I know you don't think you need a vehicle if you're in a long-term care facility, but your children could use that vehicle to come and visit you, take you to doctor's appointments, or perhaps just take you out on a recreational drive. Now, I get it. You say, I already have a vehicle. How does this help me? If you have money in savings and Medicaid says it's keeping you from qualifying, you trade in the older car, add some of the cash from the savings account, and you buy a nicer one. Crazy rules, right? Because Medicaid says you can't give the money away to your child. You can't give the car away to your child. But you can buy yourself a nicer car and let your child drive it, so long as that car is available to you. When you need to go to the doctor, then Medicaid will exclude it. Who wrote these rules, right? Well, not me. Tip number 3, protecting your savings. Now, many people think that giving the money to your child or adding one of your kids' names to the checking or savings account will help. It won't. In fact, it could be one of the worst things to do. What if you give all of your savings to one of your children and then they're sued by somebody because of a car accident? Or what if a child loses a job because of an illness unexpectedly and has to declare bankruptcy? Or maybe that child has to go through a divorce. In any of these situations, your money isn't protected, it's in jeopardy of being lost. The only option that really protects your money from all these risks, including Medicaid, is for the money to be put into an asset protection trust. It's just that simple. An irrevocable asset protection trust can protect all of your assets. The trust protects the money, and you still can use that money as a cushion for all of your needs that Medicaid is not going to help you with. It certainly is complicated, but you can protect your lifelong savings in your home and still qualify for Medicaid to help pay for long-term care. Yeah, I know Medicaid and the nursing home told you about their rules, but they're not able to tell you that there are exceptions to the rules, and a lot of them. Your situation is unique, and a plan needs to be customized for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Seek out someone who understands all of the rules. Click below and set an appointment so I can help you customize solutions that you need for your life. And most of all, thank you for watching this video.